Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm joined with special guest
Korndoggy.
and we're going to be checking out the Bestech Operator. This is the first Bestech knife that I've had, or any of us have seen. This is going to be a whole new experience for us all. You have the honors.
Yeah. And wow, this thing is massive. And I haven't even flipped it out yet. Oh wow. This thing is big.
Yeah, it's kind of sinister looking.
Yeah.
It almost looks like a hawk bill.
Yeah.
Which is also a blade style, but
Fits nicely in the hand. In both positions. Then let's see how easy it is to flip from the left side. Ooh. That's nice. Here you go.
get a good look at it here. I like the black on black. It's very subtle. And then, bam! A red spacer. Not sure what their idea was on that, but pretty cool. Overall, man, that is a big boy. It's pretty hefty. Yeah, I really like that. Interesting on the jimping here. I wonder why they didn't carry that up to the top here where you would rest your thumb, but very cool. I really like these straight edge blades. They're very good looking.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get into some specs.
Overall is 8.1 inches. Blade is 3.47 inches. Handle is 4.51 inches. Blade thickness is 0.15 inches. And our weight seems to be...
What are you, a scale?
Our weight is 5. Our weight is 5.68 ounces.
Or 161 grams. What do you think of that?
It is very sinister. It's very geometrical. It's got lots of shapes and curves and sharp edges.
Yeah, it really does. To me, it looks like a bird of prey or something.
Yeah.
I really like their logo here, the Bestech logo, how it's raised.
Carbon fiber.
No, this is black G10. I just really like how they have it milled out in this specific pattern here.
Yeah.
It looks really good. Even the red backspacer looks really good. I can't say nothing. I do like red and black. It's one of my favorite color schemes. Try it left-handed here. Yeah, it fits really well in hand. Let's try one-handed manipulation with my lefty. Easy day. Very nice. This is not a stabbing knife, but this one's definitely a slash style knife.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, just like that. I'm not much of a finger or thumb flipper with these holes, so I mean I can try it. Well, okay. Thumb is easy. I'm just not good at that opposite flick, so all right. What are your overall impressions of it?
It's big. I love the feel. This black G10. Love the feel of it. The logo.
Very
Kind of
subtle.
looks like glasses, but it's cool. And it doesn't have any billboarding.
Are you saying that this raised portion here looks like glasses?
No, this right here.
Oh, I see what you're saying, the two.
Mm-hmm.
I can see that. Like binoculars. It looked like it was going to be a good sized knife, and it didn't disappoint for sure in person. The black on black look is very svelte. I'm glad I got it. This is a very cool knife. Let's do some size comparisons. What do you want to compare it to?
My everyday carry knife is the Civivi Dogma, and it's about as long This one's still a bit longer.
And then for also size comparison, here's the QSP Mini Penguin.
This is just, compared to mine, mine's very skinny, I guess. Not as skinny as some knives, but it's not as thick as this one.
Yeah, it has a thin profile, and then it's a very light, easy carry.
Yeah.
And it's actually a pretty good sized knife. It just has a real light profile. This is completely the opposite. It's like big and bulky, but it's aggressive and awesome all in one. So
yeah, I like the holes right here and here. They add some design that's really cool.
that wraps up our initial impressions of the Bestech Operator. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment down below.
It really helps out our channel.
Also, if you have any critique, feel free to drop me a line in the notes or send me an email. Thank you for spending time with us, and have a wonderful day.
See ya.
Bye-bye.